Avia Mini for Rebel News outside the Court of Appeal here in Melbourne, Victoria, where unfortunately Kerry Cottrell, the grandmother who was fined for daring to use her exercise time, her legal exercise time during the lockdown to carry a sign in protest of the government, well, she's lost her appeal today.
Really disappointing for Kerry that today wasn't the success that we hoped for, but there were some really important principles that were put before the court, both at trial and on appeal. They stemmed from the fact that these powers were extraordinary powers that we all saw play out in Victoria from 2020 onwards, and the court reflected the importance of those principles being aired in court by the fact that, or through the fact that they granted leave to appeal, albeit that ultimately the appeal wasn't successful.
While the result here today was disappointing, I'm not going to lie, I don't regret a moment of this fight and any of the fights that we've had here at Rebel News with your help. In fact, we have another battle ahead of us next month in the New South Wales Supreme Court for a mother, if you remember, Renee Altacridi, who was protesting during the lockdown there, and they snatched her screaming child out of her hands to arrest her for the heinous crime of protesting the COVID restrictions. But remember, you got to be in it to win it, and we've certainly won a lot. You can see fightthefines.com.au for yourself. A lot of the stories posted there and a lot of wins. This one today, unfortunately, is a loss. Fightthefines.com.au, you can check out some of our successes and, unfortunately, today's loss. Fightthefines.com.au if you want to support those ongoing cases that we still have going. Fightthefines.com.au. None of this is possible without you.